gosh, that shit broke me out. Girl, it's been 3 days. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kayla, if you don't already know. Clearly, we're in a whole different setting right now. We're in my bathroom because obviously by the title, you know what we're doing tonight. Today's video is a skincare routine. By the way, if you hear some like knocking and thumping, it's my annoying ass neighbors, so I apologize for that. But I'm gonna be showing you guys my skincare routine, what works for me, and I have something exciting to say. Today's video is in collaboration with Duval Brands Inc. They sent me over this Radiant Skincare System thingy, spin thing. I'll show you in a second. And I was like, why not do a skincare routine? I've had it for a few months. I wanted to try it out, see how it, you know. Because when it comes to the skin, you can't just pop something on and be like, look, this thing is bomb. No, you gotta give your time. You gotta give your skin time to like, you know, do its thing. It's a spin brush. I'm sure we've all seen spin brushes. It looks like this. It's like battery activated. So it comes on like that. It comes with 4 different brush heads. It comes with a cleansing facial brush like this. It comes with an exfoliating one too. They both look the same to me, honestly, y'all. Like, they both look the same to me. It just looks like this, like with little bristles on it. They both feel the same. I don't know which one is more rougher. You know, when you think of exfoliation, you think of more of like a rougher texture. So I don't know if I'm using the regular one or the exfoliating one, but they look like this. And then it comes with a body cleansing brush as well as a pumice stone. Yeah, I tried this out. It was a little too rough for me. I mainly just use the regular cleansing brush because, you know, that's just what I do for my skin. So to get started, what I like to do is it just pops on. It's so easy. You just pop it on, and it comes with an on and off switch. And when you turn it on, it spins. And so like when it's on your face, it's doing all the work for you like that. It's very, very convenient. I like it a lot. I was a little like hesitant about it because like I don't like not using things that I'm used to on my face, but it didn't like break me out or anything. Skirt, pause. So y'all, I have something else really exciting to say. So your girl got you, okay? I got you. You guys can get your own spin brush, okay? I'm gonna have a link down below, and I actually have a coupon code for you guys for 70% off your own. And these are normally $95, but with my coupon code, you're gonna get it for $28. 70% off of $95. Do it, but it's gonna be like $28 or so like that. But yeah, so I'm excited. We can cleanse our faces together. I'm not gonna sit here and say that like I have the best skin in the world because I'd be lying. But my skin isn't pretty like problematic. I do get dryness, so my skin's more combo to dry. So in the winter, like fall and winter months, girl, brittle, okay? But like in the summer, springtime, it's more normal, okay? It's not really oily, it's not really dry, it's just normal. It's just, you know, like that. But yeah, so I guess we'll get started and I'll show you what I do. My first step is using this Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. I've used this for about like, it's been like 5 years. This is my like go-to cleanser. It lasts me for a very long time. It literally lasts so much. Let me see how much comes in here. 6.75 fluid ounces comes in this. This lasts me for so long. I love Murad. It's great. So yeah. Like, really? By the way, I'm gonna have all the products that I use listed down below. And these are the products that I've been using for, like I said, it's been like 5 years. And the other products I'll show you, it's been like about 6 months now. My first step is cleansing my face. So I'll take my cleanser. First, I wet my brush. So you wanna make sure you wet your brush first. I just take my Mirror cleanser and I just like draw like a circle. Okay, it's not a circle right now, but it looks like that. So when you have your little circle of cleanser on there, you just press it on and then put it on your face. The biggest step, the biggest secret when like for clear, clean skin is the 1 minute rule. Or the 60-second rule, 1 minute rule, same thing. But cleaning your face for 60 seconds. I just count to 60 in my head. Mind you, this is the same, like these are the same steps I used before I even got this brush. I would just be using my fingers, my hands. But, and it's kind of, oh, getting into my hair. It's just kind of relaxing too, y'all. Like, it's like a spa. But, and I'm one of those people that I do like a lot of cleanser on my brush. Call it what you want, but like this is how much I use. You don't have to use this much, use what you want. But yeah, so just do this. Count to a minute in your head. You can go longer than that if you want. I've been talking, so I really don't know how long I've been doing this for, but I'm just gonna count to another 30 seconds in my head. And oh, if you wear lash extensions, this is so convenient because you know when you get your lashes done, you can't like get your eyes wet. So this is like very, very, very convenient. And you want to just get, and this is so gentle by the way. This is very, very gentle. It's not harsh on the skin. And like this is how it looks. It's just literally doing its own thing. It's like massaging my face. Like right now it feels a little drying, so then I add more water and then I do a little bit more. So now it's time to rinse your face. I'm just gonna pat dry my face. And I use a very, 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 very soft washcloth to dry my face. Very, very soft and gentle. Very soft. So my face is all dry. I didn't wear any makeup on tonight, but normally like if I have a full face of makeup or just like if I do my brows, I normally do my brows every day like I go to work. But by the way, I didn't have work today, it's Labor Day. I'll take a makeup remover wipe, the Neutrogena hydrating wipes. I'll take one of these and just wipe my face and then I'll go on with my cleanser. These are my favorite makeup removing wipes. I don't use anything else. I've been using these since like 2015. It's been like 4 years. These. Nope. If it's Neutrogena and it's in the purple pack, no thank you. This is what I need. So yeah, get you some of these, girl. I used to work at a clinic where they did like facials, so that's where I really learned about the Mirror brand, and like that's when I realized that toner is needed. After you cleanse your face, you have to tone. It's like, what's the point of washing your face if you're not going to tone it? You know, you got to put the pH, you got to reset your pH balances and all that, you know? So now it's time to tone. So I just get like a little cotton pad like this, and I'm gonna go, by the way, Pixie has nothing to do with this video. I just freaking love the brand and the products and they work for me. But anyhow, so I'm gonna go in with my Pixie Glow Tonic. By the way, I'm using the entire, or pretty much the entire Pixie Glow line, but yeah. They're so fucking annoying. I'm about to yell in a second. I'm just gonna take my toner and I'm just gonna drip a little bit of this. Well, I'm pretty much gonna soak my pad in there. That sounds very gross. But I'm gonna soak my cotton pad and I'm just gonna wipe the toner all over my face. And like, do you guys notice like after you wash your face, it feels a little tight and dry? If not, girl, amazing to you. But I always feel like tight and dry after, so I have to, this just makes me feel so much better. And also, like say if you didn't wear full face of makeup, this helps get off any like excess if you missed it while you were cleansing. But yeah. And all the products that I use when cleansing my face, I like to put on my neck as well. But now after we tone, we're gonna go in with the Pixi Glow Tonic Serum. Now this is an exfoliating radiance serum, and this just gently exfoliates, hydrates, and nourishes the skin. It comes in like a little dropper, and I just get a good amount, y'all. When it comes to like, they be like using like a little pea size. My skin needs whatever it needs. You put however much you use, however much you want to use, okay? By the way, you can purchase Pixi products at Target or online. They're pretty affordable for skincare. And I just drop a dollop in a big dollop in my fingers, and I'm just gonna rub this all over my face. You guys know what I want to get? No, but you know what I want? I want one of them like crystal rollers, like to roll on my skin. By the way, when like putting product on your neck, you always want to go upwards. You don't want to rub down, because then you're gonna look saggy and old. Just kidding. But yeah, it's just good to, you know. Think of your skincare routine as like a mini like spa session for yourself. It's just alone time, you and yourself. And yeah, after I go in with the serum, I'm gonna use the 24K Eye Elixir by Pixi. And it's just like a roll-on. Think of like a serum but for your under eyes. And you just roll it underneath, and it's kind of cool. It's like, it has like a little roller ball, and it's like cooling the ball. So I just go like this. And this is good for like just keeping your under eyes toned, and just rub that in. We're gonna go in with the Phenomenal Gel, and this is a neutralizing moisturizer. It balances and neutralizes the It balances and neutralizes the pH. I just use about this much, if you can see that. And this spreads pretty, you know, well. And just rub it in my fingers. And then, by the way, y'all, this is what I do every night. If you want clear, glowing skin, do not miss or skip a skincare routine, okay? Now I'm not gonna lie, last night I didn't do it because I washed my face or whatever Saturday night. I didn't do a damn thing yesterday. I didn't wear no makeup or nothing. Like, I mean, that's, you know. So those are the times where I won't do it, but like today, it was like, I didn't do anything today either, no makeup or nothing. But it's like, okay, it's been a day, let me, you know. I just got this Tatcha little melting eye cream as a sample, but I'm actually using this because I've been meaning to pick up an eye cream. But, you know, so I'm just going with this. And I did use this for the first time the other day, and it's very, very cooling and moisturizing. I've been needing an eye cream. So I just get about that much on my finger. And I learned this trick when I was working at the clinic. You rub it on your ring fingers, because your ring fingers are the most gentle of all your fingers, and you're just gonna pat this in windshield wiper motions and up to the brow bone, your eye cream. So I'm just gonna go like this. And I like to drag it down the sides of my nose. Woo! Feels so good and refreshing. So then finally I go in with my Pixi On The Glow Multi-Use Moisture Stick. It's a travel-friendly solid moisturizer. So it's like it looks like deodorant. And I just like put this on my brows. I focus this mainly on my T-zone area, which is the area where I tend to get the most dry. And I just rub this in. And yeah, we're almost done, guys. I do want to mention this, the vitamin E pills. Now, these are soft gel, like from the organic market vitamin E pills. What I like to do is, as you guys know, or if you don't know, vitamin E is great for like hair and growing hair. And so I like to put it on my eyebrows because I like thick brows now. They've always been pretty sparse, but like since using the vitamin E, girl, your girl is growing some nice full brows. I like to poke it and literally squeeze the vitamin E and put it on my brows. Now I just got my brows done. I typically use these like a week after I get my eyebrows done because I don't want the hairs to start growing back as soon as possible, you know. Like obviously I have the eyelash extensions. Squeeze some of the gel onto the spoolie and like brush your eyelashes with them. You're gonna notice a difference in your lashes in a week. Like it's gonna grow. Every 3 nights I'll use this. This is the ColourPop Lippy Scrub and Squeeze the Day. It's just like a lemon scent. But it's a sugar scrub. And it smells so freaking good, y'all. But I just scoop a little like that much on my finger. I like rub this in between my fingers and then you just rub it on your lips. It's an exfoliator for the lips. And you just rub, rub, rub until you can't rub no more. And this is gonna give you soft lips. Okay, and once you're done scrubbing, you just take like a little tissue and you just damp your lips. Dap your lips off. And then you can like lick the excess off. Then, what I do though every night is I'll take a vitamin E gel and I'll poke a hole in it. I use this as my lip balm. And I just put this on my lips. Okay, my love, so I'm all done. We're all done with the skin. That was fun. I felt like I was like teaching you guys something. I don't know. But yeah, that's my skincare routine. My nightly skincare routine. But yeah, guys, so I just want to challenge you to get on a skincare routine if you're not already on it, and if you are going to start it, stick with it. Give yourself a week, take a picture, notice the difference in your skin. I promise you, after 3 days, you'll notice a difference in your skin with a consistent routine, okay? It is going to take trial and error. There are some things that your skin is just going to be like, ooh. And if you're somebody who does not have a skincare routine, when starting out, be prepared, okay? Be prepared to experience a breakout. It's not because the shit, it's not because the product is shitty and it just doesn't work and oh my gosh, that shit broke me out. Girl, it's been 3 days. It's because your skin is getting used to it. The product is working, is pulling out impurities and toxins that are in there. So of course you're gonna break out. But I'm telling you, just give it a week, like give it 2 weeks, like try it. You can't just, you know, see a pimple and be like, oh my gosh, I'm not using that again. No, okay? That's it for this video. Don't forget to get your own spin brush, 70% off. I'll have a link down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you like more videos like this, let me know. We can figure something out. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I'll see you next time.